Welcome into this video about editing within the Dubb website. I clicked on a video here and it brought me to the video edit page right here. I'm going to click on the editing tab right here in the middle, and that's going to bring me down to my editing options. Now you're going to notice right here along the side a button that says replace video. That's there in case I do too much editing or I make some mistakes and I don't like my edit. What I can do is I can scroll to the top, download the original MP4 to the video, save it to my computer, and then before I hit save down here on the bad edit that I did, I can click replace video, choose that video, and then click save, and it will be the original version of this video. Now the editing options down here right away is going to be this. You can slide this up or down for a further view away, like a more complete view of the timeline, or you can zoom it in a little bit further here. I like to keep it about this distance here is pretty good, maybe a little bit bigger right there. And then this is the play button. You can jump to the end of the timeline. You can jump back to the beginning of the timeline, the first frame. You can also drag the timeline here. So I'm going to show you how we can cut something out. I'm going to go here. I'm going to select the split clip option. It's going to split it. And I'm going to go a little bit further to about right here because I want to cut out this clip of me right here. I'm going to split the clip again. And now I have these pieces right here. I want to remove the piece of me and stitch this back together. So I'm going to tap on the clip that I just did, and I'm going to select the delete clip button, and there it is, and it's gone. And it's pieced right back together. Now, if I want to undo this, I can click the undo button and go right back to where I was. But I'm going to get rid of this clip, and I'm going to delete it. And then when you're done, all you have to do is click the save button, and it's going to edit together the video just like you want it. You can also select the design tab right here next to the editing tab. And when you select this part, you can choose and generate your own custom thumbnail. So you can slide this along wherever you want to slide it along, and then click generate thumbnail, and it will generate a thumbnail for you in the different part of the video you'd like to select. You also can upload your own thumbnail if you'd like to. So under the design tab, you can click upload, and you can upload anything you'd like to put there at the front of the video that you might think might do the job better than what you've recorded. So you have that as an option. See you at the next video.